Exercise 7.2, question 6. Today we will complete 7.2. Write two numbers which are prime as well as odd. So you have to write two numbers. Write two numbers. Quickly note down in your notebook. You will not write question. You will write answers. So write two numbers. Quickly find out which two number you will write, which is prime as well as odd number. So write two numbers which are prime.
Ma'am,
As
1073.
well as odd. So what you are going to do, first you will note down what all prime numbers do we have. So they are, prime numbers are those numbers who have two factors, 1 and the number itself. So they are 2, 3, 5, 6 is not a prime number, 7, 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number, 10 is again not a prime number, then
And
11.
3 and 5 are odd.
Listen. So children, you have to find out prime number, that two numbers which are prime and as well as odd. So you can see that 3 is prime number, 2 is not an odd number, it is even number. So 2 is not the number which we have to write. So you will write 3 and then 5. That means your answer is 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are prime numbers, prime as well as odd numbers. Quickly note down in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have right. And I have.
Okay, question number 7. Write two pairs of prime numbers which differ by 2. Quickly do this in your notebook, in your maths notebook. Okay, so question number 7, write two pairs of prime numbers, pairs of prime numbers which differ by 2. Children, differ means, what do you mean by differ? When we write differ, what do you understand? Differ से क्या समझ में आता है, क्या करना है, what we have to do? Yes.
Friends.
Yes. Subtract. Yes. So you have to write two pairs of, pair means there should be two numbers in one pair. A pair, two numbers makes one pair. Two numbers makes a pair. Is it clear? Yes? Two socks make a pair. When we say that give me a pair of socks, that means you are talking about two socks, both of right leg and then of your left leg. So pair means two. What you have to do, you have to write pair pairs of prime numbers which differ by 2. Okay, now quickly write all the prime numbers. So they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Let's see. Let's take this pair. When you subtract 2 from 3, that is your answer will be your difference is 1. That means it is not the number which we are finding out. Now let's take 3 subtracted. When we subtract 3 from 5, so there what we got? 3 from 5, that means 2. When you subtract, let's take this one, 5 from 7, or you can take this one, any of them you can take. Children, you have to write how many pairs? 2 pairs. So you can write 5 minus 3, or you can write 7 minus 3, or you can take 13 minus 11. That means 3 subtract 3 from 5, or subtract 5 from 7, or 11 from 13. Have you understood? कैसे करना है बेटा? आपको 2 पेयर, you have to find out 2 pairs जो प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए, and it should be when you subtract those number, what difference you should get will 2. Yes, जब आप subtract करोगे उन दोनों नंबर को, तो जो डिफरेंस होना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए? 2 होना चाहिए. आपने सबसे पहले क्या लिखा? What you have done? You have written all the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Now see, अब आप देखो 2 को जब आप 3 में से subtract करते हो तो डिफरेंस क्या है? क्या है डिफरेंस? 1. Okay, that means these 2 numbers, ये पेयर हमें नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है? ये क्वेश्चन में नहीं पूछा क्योंकि उसका डिफरेंस क्या है? 1. That means ये नहीं है. Then now see children, when you subtract 3 from 5, what is the difference? 3 को जब 5 में से subtract करा 2. Yes, that means बेटा हम इस पेयर को ले सकते हैं. Yes, why? Because in question it is mentioned आपको 2 pairs लिखना है जो प्राइम नंबर है. Yes, और and which differ by 2, जिसका डिफरेंस क्या है? जब आप उसको subtract करोगे तो उसका डिफरेंस क्या आना चाहिए? 2. Is it clear? Now let's take the another pair. अब हम next pair देखते हैं. When you subtract 5 from 7, again the difference will be 2. तो आप इस नंबर 2. Yes, good. Yes, Vinayak. Okay. Now take the another number. अब आप 7 को 11 में से subtract करके देखो तो what will be the difference when you subtract 7 from 7? 2. Is it 2? When you subtract 7 from 11, is it 2? 4. 4. This is not the pair which we are finding. Yes, 4. So ये नहीं है, इसको wrong कर. Okay, now subtract 11 from 13. Then 2. 2. Another pair. Yes. Okay. So we can take 11 from 13. This pair. Yes. Good. Now subtract 11 from 17. 13 को 17 में से subtract करो children. क्या होगा विनायक? ये वाला पेयर होगा 13, ये पेयर होगा क्यों बेटा, आप इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, योर आंसर इज 4. नो, ये 4 चिल्ड्रन, हाँ ये वाला नहीं होगा पेयर बेटा. स्टूडेंट ये 13 सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 17 इज नॉट द पेयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज जो इसका डिफरेंस है बेटा वो 4 आया है, और आपको क्या देखना है क्वेश्चन में, क्या मेंशन है, विच डिफर बाय 2. नाउ इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? वेट, लेट मी अलाउ योर माइक.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. Homework. Question number 11 we have already done. We did question number 11 in our previous class. Now let's see question number 12. Find these children in question number 9 and 10. What you have to do? You have to find out write the smallest prime number greater than each of the following number. आपको smallest prime number लिखना है जो which is greater than each of the following numbers. And in question number 10, what you will do? Write the greatest prime number less than each of the following number. Try to do question number 9 and 10, and then if you have any doubt we will discuss this in our next class. Let's see question number 12. Find the smallest number that should be subtracted from an odd number to make it even. Children, now you have to find out the smallest. Smallest means जो सबसे छोटा है. Yes? Smallest number आपको find out करना है that should be subtracted from an odd number to make it.
Ma'am, 3 minus 1. Minus by 1.
Okay, good, very good. Listen, आपको smallest number find out करना है which when you subtract it from odd number, जब आप odd number में से subtract करोगे तो उसका आंसर जो आएगा वो even होना चाहिए. Okay, how you are going to do? ठीक है, ये आपको अभी पता चल गया, लेकिन बेटा आप कैसे करोगे? What is the, ठीक है, how you will do? Smallest number, which question is it? Question number 12. तो जो smallest number है children, सबसे small number क्या है? 1. It is 1. ठीक है? Now you have to subtract. अब आपको 1 को subtract करना है odd number से. Okay? So let's write odd number here. Beta, okay, I know 3. Odd number is 3, 5, 7, 9. अब 1 को subtract करो odd number से to get the even number. Okay? अब आप 1 को 3 में से subtract करो. 3 minus 1 you will get 2. अब आप 5 में से भी minus करो. 5 minus 1 you will get 4. आप 7 में से भी minus करोगे 1 you will get 6. आप किसी भी नंबर में से 1 को minus करो odd number में से, your answer will be even number. So in this question आपको सब क्या करना है? Smallest number that should be subtracted from an odd number. Smallest number is 1. सबसे smallest. उसको आप subtract करो odd number से. You can subtract it from 3, 5, 7, 9 because they all are odd numbers. Yes.
Odd number.
जो 3 हो गया, 5 हो गया, 7, 9 ये क्या है? ये odd number है. अब जब ऑड नंबर को आप 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, सॉरी 1 को ऑड नंबर्स में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, योर आंसर विल बी, जो डिफरेंस होगा आंसर क्या होगा, वो इवन होगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see who is going to do this. Have you understood, Vinayak, how we have done? बेटा आपको smallest number लेना है. Yes. Children, let's do one question. Okay. That's it. This is the answer. It is. Find let me make it.
Question.
Find the smallest number that should be okay. Read it. Children, everyone read this question.
Find the
Find
Don't unmute yourself. Now read it. This question, Vinayak. Read it.
Find the smallest number that should
Subtracted from
subtracted from greatest one digit odd number to make it even.
okay. So what you have to do? क्या करना है? Find, children, find the smallest number that should subtracted. क्या करना है उस smallest number को? That should subtracted from किससे? Greatest one digit odd numbers to make it even. Quickly do this question in your notebook. Do this question.
Number
Then 9 minus 1.
1 minus 9.
Don't
And 1 minus
say
9.
beta, don't.
3 minus 1.
Everyone, write this question in your notebook. Extra question. Yes, children. So, what is the answer? Ansh Kumar will tell. Ansh, children, okay, let's do this question. How we will do? Find the smallest number that should be subtracted from. Children, you know what is the smallest number? We know that 1. Let's see. 1 is the smallest number that should be subtracted from the greatest one digit odd number. Children, you have to subtract smallest number from greatest one digit number. Let's write odd numbers.
Ma'am, the answer is 9
Wait,
minus
children.
1.
Yes, I know. Wait. So 3, 5, 7, 9. Children, question में mention है one digit number, greatest one digit odd number. So you are not going to write 11 or 13 because it is two digit. So you will write till one digit. Now see which
Ma'am,
number
one.
is the greatest number. So 9 is the greatest among all these. Yes, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Which one is greatest? Which one is greatest?
9.
Yes.
Nine.
Yes, 9. And below it,
Nine.
one is
Ma'am,
the
9.
smallest. Yes. So when you subtract 1 from 9, your answer, your difference will be 8. Your difference is 8.
8.
That means 8 is your even number. Have you understood it now?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. If you will subtract और नंबर सपोज 3 है उसमें से आप 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे आंसर जो आएगा योर डिफरेंस विल बी अगेन ऑड ये इवन नहीं है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इवन अब आप 9 में से 8 क्यों नहीं माइनस करा वाई बिकॉज द आंसर विल अगेन ऑड